welcome to Dinner Buffet. How may I assist you?
Hello, I follow halal diet. Which food here is halal friendly?
Thank you for informing us. Yes, we have halal-friendly dishes. I can guide you through them to ensure your comfort.
That is good to know.
Our grilled chicken, vegetable dishes, and seafood are cooked separately from pork products. We maintain a dedicated preparation area for halal meals.
That is good to know.
If you prepare, we can also prepare a special halal plate just for you. It will take around 10 minutes.
That would be perfect.
Would you like chicken, beef, or fish?
Chicken.
Thank you, ma'am. Sir, we'll bring it to your table shortly.
Ano to? Thank you for your assistance.
You're most welcome. Enjoy your dinner and please let us know if you need anything else.
Good day, ma'am and sir. Welcome to Sunrise Hotel. How may I help you?
Hello, I want to go to beach, but I not understand transportation.
No worries, ma'am. I can assist you. You would like taxi, shuttle, or bus?
What is shuttle?
A shuttle is a small hotel van that brings guests directly to the beach. No need to transfer.
Okay, that's good.
The next shuttle will leave in 20 minutes. If you want, I can write the schedule.
Yes, please write.
And here is the small map with Korean labels for easy direction.
Thank you. Very helpful.
It's our pleasure, ma'am. Enjoy your trip to the beach.
If you need help later, translation, direction, or anything, please come to the front desk.
Good evening, ma'am and sir. Welcome to our restaurant. How may I assist you tonight?
Hello, I am vegetarian. Is there food without meat?
Yes, certainly. We have several vegetarian dishes. May I guide you through the menu?
Yes, please.
If you prefer, our chef can also prepare a special vegetarian plate for you.
That is very nice.
Would you like mild, medium, or no spice at all?
Medium spice.
Perfect. Your meal will be served at about 10 minutes.
Thank you for respecting my dietary preference.
Our pleasure, ma'am and sir. Enjoy your dinner.